Alright. Hey, Dr. RM. Welcome to the stream. It's been a long time. And I have a microphone. How are you? Oh, it's unfortunate that you can't play the game anymore. One thing I can tell you is stay tuned for G-Star in Korea. Maybe we will get some interesting news from there. I'm not sure if we'll get it, but we may get some. But nice. Glad that you're still there. It's awesome to when people come back after a long time. So just to keep you up to speed, I've been reworking the entire website. The entire tos.guru is being reworked from the ground up to make it faster and more complete. And I've been spending the last 6 months working on it. Like now I have this more similar to the item market, in-game market, or the auction house. We have now advanced filtering. It's much faster. It's getting there. But still some months left, unfortunately. But yeah, stay tuned for G-Star. We might get something from Nexon. A teaser at least. It is, yeah, if you go via the mobile browser, it will prompt you to install. Or even Chrome now also prompts you on the desktop. Like if you click clear, it asks you to install. But yeah, I've been supporting the website since ever. Sometimes it gets broken due to all the latest updates, but I'm still supporting it. I'm just focusing on the new version. And today I'll be working on adding the 3D models for the equipment for now. Because I've already spent the last couple of weeks just working on an algorithm for extracting the 3D models from the game files. So at least we have that. I can show you some, like if I go here, then I go here, iTosh, data. Oops, no. And if I go here, if I go to the monsters, for example, one of the bosses are usually very difficult to extract. I have this very complex one, the Ferret Marauder. The textures are also here, it's just that this visualizer doesn't support it. But I hope to add them today. And I'm pretty sure I managed to extract every model from the game. Even furniture from the new housing system. All the characters, all the weapons. I didn't export the models for the maps just because I don't want someone to steal them. But besides that, yeah, I have all the bosses in here. Every monster. It's gonna be fun when I add the monsters. But today the focus is just on the weapons. Let's see. I've never used 3GS for rendering 3D models. Yeah, the models are very nice. Like, for some reason, like the game, like the camera is very far away, is very zoomed out, but even so, the characters and the models, everything is very detailed. It's interesting that they did that. Am I gonna do this? Probably have to mimic the image. ID. Height. Width. On changes. Here I'm gonna need the client so that I can download the data. I'm gonna have to do multiple requests. Oh, by the way, what do you think of the new updates to the game? I know you aren't playing them, but are you still following the news? So, if the ID has changed, I have to unload the model. Subscription. Oh wait, I need to open the Excel file again. Come on, you can do it. Okay, it's the... Where are the models? Okay, they are here, in the shack. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the art system is definitely half-baked, yeah. I'm pretty sure they basically ran out of time. Because, I mean, the other day I was seeing looking into the code, like saying how they implemented the art system. It's like it's basically completely new skills. Like the arts version is a new skill, so they had like to duplicate a lot of stuff and like adjust everything. So it was a lot of work for the result, which was a bit underwhelming. So yeah, it was a bit unfortunate, but I guess that's because currently IMC they don't have that many resources for Tree of Saver on PC, so yeah. So most of the team is like working just on like the big stuff, like the housing and the guild housing. That probably took a lot of time to build. Yeah, that as well, yeah. I guess because it's the same reason, like as they don't have that many resources, they can't have that many events at the moment. What I'm not sure is why don't they like just reuse some old events? They always want to use new events. And they're always like some events are even very complex, like the latest one for Halloween was very in-depth. So I wonder why don't they have like a pool of events that they just keep rotating? It would help. So yeah, basically this past couple months or a few months, yeah, IMC is basically low on resources, so the game is developing slow for a bit. Which is why we are seeing a bit of slower changes at the moment. They even have the new episode, the new stories. Oh, they are also reworking the quests, so I guess that's taking a lot of time as well, because they need to rework a lot of stuff. Like rewrite a lot of the text, change the gimmicks and so on. So that takes a lot. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But if things go good, I guess, if things go as planned, next year I hope IMC should have more resources for a PC again. Let's see how it goes. Because, well, IMC doesn't have just Tosh to support, they have Granado Espada, they have a random mobile game, I think, they have Tosh on PC, they had two other projects, one was canned, the other one is still ongoing, so yeah. Let's see how it goes. I hope they succeed, because I really like the game, and I like building the tos.guru website, so I hope they succeed so I can keep working on it. Yeah, that definitely helps, yeah, like having constantly new stuff to build. The thing is, like, people are always complaining about a lot of stuff, like some people want class balance, some people want like, oh, give us more late game stuff, but then they build some hardcore late game stuff, then people complain that it is too hard, so they need to make it easy to access. Then people grind it too quickly. It's a bit of a mess. Then you have people asking for PvP stuff, people asking for quest stuff, episode stuff, I mean PvE. At least we finally have housing now. Although it's a bit half-baked as well, so it was postponed in Korea test version. Yeah, let's see. They're definitely better than they were 1 year ago, so at least there's that. Alright, this is gonna be this.id and then this.http.get. API. So this is gonna be region slash what? Data slash v2 proxy. So what's after the data? Data after the data is the... Oh, the language. I guess I can put the language, why not? Just put everything. Just to keep it standard. Now I go for the shack. Shack. Oh really? Even with the latest patch, do you still suffer from performance? Cause even this year they made some improvements to performance. On the current version I just find it a bit weird, like when I load in a zone, like in a city, it takes a bit to start. But then it's pretty smooth. Okay, now it's the ID, this is .id. .gs. Okay, so this is the data from the model. Oh no, what have I done? Okay. Well, yeah, let's see. Oh, by the way, have you tried a game on mobile called Spirit Wish from Nexon? Interface, shack. What does the shack have? All of this stuff. Class ID. Class name. This we can ignore. Mesh, which is a string. Pass, which is also a string. Material name. Well, why do they even have this one? It is probably old stuff. Oh, armband info. Oh really? Okay. I thought after the big patch the performance would keep up. Would maintain across the next patches. Yeah, usually a lot of bugs come from the new patches. Ah, okay, I see, yeah. Yeah, Spirit Wish I tried it the other day. Because, well, Spirit Wish is like Taj on mobile. Because it has like one of the game directors used to work for IMC. And Nexon basically got tired of waiting for IMC to build a Taj game, a mobile Taj game. So they went with Spirit Wish. But then something weird was that like they said on the Play Store it would say like, oh, my phone is not compatible, and I was like, why? Like my phone is like 1 year old. It was released 1 year ago, so it's like, nah, it can't be real. So I downloaded the game either way, and the game doesn't work. I'm not sure why, like the game like it runs worse than Black Desert on mobile, and I'm like, how? It's a 2D game. I mean, not 2D, but it's much lighter than Black Desert. Why is it running so poorly? So I'm not sure what happened there. No idea what they're doing there. Which is a bit of a shame. It's tainting Nexon's popularity. Let's see how it goes. Very weird that they launched that game in that weird state. Oh, alô João. É lá, TI. Boa. 1660, eu espero fazer upgrade para essa também daqui a uns meses. Próximo mês ou assim, espero também fazer upgrade para 1660. Mas normal, não a TI. Isso dá para jogar tudo e mais alguma coisa. Dr. RM, all that I can say is stay tuned for G-Star. Maybe. A couple months ago we saw a patent from Nexon. They registered a new patent for a Taj game. It was called Taj something, like rebuild, but it was another word. It's a mobile game. But yeah, the patent was registered, so let's see if they announce anything for G-Star. I'm not sure if they will. They could. She's gonna be, I think, like in a week, right? Or a couple days. Start 2019. It's very soon. Oh yeah, it's next week. Okay, so we may get some interesting news next week. Ah, João, a cena é que eu estou num portátil. Portátil não há cá 1660 Super. O portátil que eu vou comprar só tem 1660. Mas também já é bom. Eu até já com a minha 1060 estou feliz. Só mesmo fazer upgrade porque posso. Yep, let's cross our fingers, Doctor. I hope they show stuff. They can show it, but I'm not sure if they will, because it's a bit early. I haven't seen any pictures of it yet. But I know it exists. And that it is being tested internally, but I don't know anything else about it. So I'm not sure if they'll show anything. I hope they don't cancel the project again. Because I remember like 1 year ago or more, they made an interview with the CEO and everyone asked, oh, where's the mobile game? And he said like, oh, it's still coming. So, I guess IMC is not about canceling games. Well, except one of the parts that they were working on. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but they were working on like on a mobile card game, sort of, with Maggie as art director, but then they canned the project, which is unfortunate. So I guess Maggie is now back to Tosh, unless she's going for another project inside IMC. Because one thing, if you notice, which is interesting, like the latest NPCs from Tosh, a couple of them, they have a different drawing style. They were clearly not designed by Maggie. They were designed by someone who's trying to follow her style, but they are clearly not the same person. Especially the new Demon King. Mas João, tu estavas com que gráfica antes da 1660? Antes da nova? Estavas com qual, João? So this is a shack now. Yes, it's a shack. Good. Pass, I don't need any of this stuff. Já agora, João, hoje estamos a trabalhar em meter os modelos 3D. Já tenho tudo ready. Vou ver se consigo. Se bem que já não tenho muito tempo, mas vou lá ver se consigo. Yeah, Doctor, I also love her work. I follow her on Twitter and I managed to buy, last year I managed to buy one of her art books. The 2 art books, I mean. It was an insane adventure to get them to Portugal. But they managed to arrive. Especially because Maggie doesn't ship internationally. It was quite the mess. But yeah, but her drawings are awesome, and I love it that like these books are already a bit old. They have a couple years, but in some of these books there are like characters from Tosh that only showed up like last year. So it's insane. She draws a lot in advance. I can send you some screenshots if you want, Doctor. Via Discord. The book is very, very awesome. I love it. João, deixa cá ler. É lá, isso é um belo upgrade, sim senhor. Mas já estavas ainda bem, mesmo assim, antes. É lá, e o Ev então vai-te fazer voar. Os Evs da Samsung são tão bons. O que é essa última coisa que puseste aí? A TX 650M da Corsair, isso é o quê? Ventoinha? Já não é muito a minha especialidade. Mas o resto está bem bom. Oh, okay, Doctor. Hope you can fix it soon, so you can play Taj again. Cause it's either that or I need to get a new phone to play Taj. Ok, João, uma PSU. Got it. Ok, como é que isto é? Okay, where to start? So this has everything that we need. Now I need to put it together. I need to download so much stuff first. I see. I think I'm gonna save it here, luckily. Model. Load. So, use.check equals value. Use.load. I'm gonna add download. Okay, 3JS, how to work with this stuff. Okay. Oh, boa, boa, João. G5 é bem bom, já. Já com essa GPU então. Não, se bem que. Não vais conseguir dar a 144 em muita coisa, isso vai ser pena. A não ser que jogos com gráficos médios. Se for para jogos competitivos vai ser brutal, já que assim não tens delay nenhum. Deves considerar os 144 num Overwatch ou assim. Mas não, este G5 é bom. Eu é como vou sempre portátil, o G5 nunca me dá jeito. Isso não se queima uma bateria toda. Em 2 horas. Hz, por acaso eu tenho. Este portátil que eu estou aqui a usar, ele é 144 Hz. Só que como eu não consigo correr quase nada a 144 Hz, eu tenho sempre a correr a 60. Então no meu caso acaba por ser um bocado de desperdício. Por isso no meu próximo eu vou para um 60 FPS, mas... I mean 60 Hz, mas com OLED. Visto que eu não jogo tanto, trabalho mais, então OLED é melhor nesse aspecto. Para ver as cores como são. Okay, so I need a new scene. Add scene equals new 3 dot scene. Nice, I have auto completion. I'm happy. Okay. So I'm gonna need this one eventually. Então o que é que se passa, João? Qual é o problema? Oh. Ok. Será que precisas mesmo do headset ou será que podes. Ou já tens uns headphones? Porque se já tiveres uns headphones, podias só comprar um microfone. Não? Ou não te compensa? First off, you need somewhere to display it, save the full HTML, blah blah blah. Where's the canvas? Oh, it's here. Ah. Okay, I'll probably have to launch it with the canvas myself. Ah, ok, João, então tudo bem. Pois no meu caso eu já tinha headphones e preferi comprar um bom microfone em vez de um headset. Ficou aquele com o modo mic, por acaso bastante bom. Não tenho nada a relatar. Okay, so we need the scene, we need the camera. Vai. been a couple years since I've done any 3D stuff. Let's hope I still remember it. I think this I'll use the... I won't be doing it full screen, so I think I need to do this ratio. This is okay, the rest. Render error. Okay, I need to set the render error. At render error. New render error. Can I launch it with a document, please? Can I initialize it with the included element? Yes, I can. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Okay, so let's see how to do this. Let's copy the image. This one goes here. This one goes here. Okay, so I just go directly into it. Okay, canvas. Okay, height, width. Okay. Canvas. Damn, João, não ponhas pressão. Epá, acho que consigo. Eu acho que ainda hoje consigo pôr um modelo a mostrar. Provavelmente sem texturas, mas acho que ainda consigo pô-lo a mostrar. E depois amanhã ponho-lo a rodar. Porque ainda vou ter de ver a parte da câmera e isso, vou ter de pensar nisso ainda. Mas pronto, hoje vai ser só pô-lo a mostrar, que já deve ser bom. Oh, I need to view child. View child. Canvas. Canvas element. I can call it canvas maybe, let's hope so. Alright, what's the second argument? I never know it. Not static read any. This is the selector. Options, read. Sync default is static files. Let's see. View child. No, not this one. Oh, static true or static false. I honestly don't know. The default is false, which is it runs before. Oh, okay, doctor. Thanks for coming today. See you in a bit then. João, tirar um café? Já não sei, se calhar isso faço DLC. Se pagares 50 euros, pode tirar café. O que é que achas? Angular View Child. Bora lá, View Child. Ixi, assim não pode ser, João. Então, assim não é profitable para mim. Tem de ser profitable para mim, então como é que eu consigo comer para fazer o site? What's the static stuff? What? No. Ok, static metadata properties. type for name is for querying. Read. True to read a different token from the queried elements. I don't know what this means. Matching the selector in the view DOM. If the view DOM changes and the new shell matches the selector, property is updated. Oh, okay, so that's a static. Okay, in that case it can be true. Because it only exists once. Never updates. Canvas element ref. Canvas viewpoint canvas dot native element. Ok, good. Ora bem. Aí não, por acaso uma coisa que eu adoro fazer enquanto Tuga é comer. Tão bom. Não me tires a comida, desde que me deixem comer e dormir, estou feliz. E trabalhar, claro. Codar é a minha terceira alimentação. Mas é só como snack. Render set size. Do I need it? Ah, se calhar não preciso precisar deste. E deste também não. Vamos skipar estes dois. Now set up a screen, there are a few different cameras. Perspective camera, é o que eu quero. Field of view, blá blá blá. Second aspect ratio está certo. Identify, fica como está o default. Renderer. Ah não, eu vou só full WebGL, epá que se lixo suportar browsers da pedra. Já vais ser o requerer web worker, portanto. Service worker, quer dizer. Set size you want to render our apps. Good idea to set the width of the area you want to fill it up. Okay. Ah, ok, então sempre tenho que preencher isto. Ok, test. Renderer, set size. This.width, this.height. Ixi, é sério, João? Como é que não gostas de comer? Eu também não como grande quantidade, mas adoro comer. A coisa que adoro é, todos os dias, o que me faz ir ao trabalho é aquele almoço na tasquinha, e tão bom. Uma sopinha e sempre um prato do dia. Todos os dias diferente. Tão bom. Então é o que tu disseste, diz aí, tu comes bem pouco em geral. Nem se tu disseste. O que é que eu percebi mal? Agora vamos render e tal, quando vai scaling isso isto é necessário. Mas at least the ok, está certo, that's all good. Vamos lá tentar só pôr um cubo, só porque sim. Só para ver se isto funciona sequer. O clássico pôr um cubo. Tá bom. Será que funciona? Temos algum cubo no ecrã? Ah, ok. Já percebi a nuance que estás a dizer. Ok. Tens um point aí. Ok, my bad. Dá-me um desconto, já estou meio a dormir. Ainda não pus aqui o modelo, porra. Vamos para o modelo. Tos model. Oh, pera, está mal escrito. Como é que eu pus um extra? I wonder. Às vezes depois no shared model também, só não consigo incluí-lo. Shared model. Vou exportar o tos model. Component, quer dizer. Tos model. Ah, também tem o nome errado. Ah, que porra para ti. Não. Afinal já tinha o tos modelo aqui alguns. Só encontrá-lo. Está aqui, ok. Está na exploração e não está no export, é isso. Isto ao fim do dia, uma pessoa começa sempre a morrer. Esta semana então tem sido só reuniões de estratégia da empresa e pá, o cérebro começa a derreter quando é pensar muito à frente. Oi. Ok. Tenho um modelo aqui, agora posso pôr aqui. Não, aqui. Tos model, yes. ID. Uf. Só que eu estou a pensar. Isto é só por o class name. I hope. Height. E vai ser exatamente a mesma. 272. Width. 417. Position absolute. Vamos ver como é que isto fica. Oceano, era necessário o position absolute. Ok, onde é que está o cube? Não está. Mas temos erros na consola. Não encontrou o fecheiro, ok. Pronto, menos mal. Então não vai arrancar o coisa. TBW04. Ah, o que ele está a fazer a lowercase? Deve estar a forçar a ser lowercase, mas neste caso lowercase é mau. Este gajo aqui deve estar a fazer lowercase. Yeah. Neste caso não dá jeito. Mas se ele deu R500, ou não deu... Processing. Add on property, event find. Então, chaco coisa. Vai ver então, dá debug no server. By the way, João, já consegui pôr o servidor a dar a boot rápido outra vez. O que estava a acontecer é o TypeScript by default, ele lê em todas as pastas que estão tipo ao alcance dele e vai procurar fecheiros TypeScript. O problema é que neste caso eu tenho a pasta www, que é onde estão todos os assets do jogo, principalmente aqueles links que eu tenho das imagens e o resto, tipo milhares e milhares de imagens. Portanto, eu pus esta na blacklist. Agora já está rápido outra vez. Oh, Ango Mango! Welcome to the stream. How are you? I'm working on this website, which I'm posting on the chat. tos.guru, which is basically a database or a wiki for a game, an MMORPG called Tree of Savior, which is available on Steam. I'm not the developer of the game, I'm just a fan of the game. But yeah, I'm implementing that website. Working on a completely new version, and today's plan is to include the 3D models of the weapons in the tooltip, or in this section, basically, using 3GS. Okay, where is the error? Data service. Language region params. Language region param. Yes, this is the param. What's your problem, mate? I. What's the I? Oh. This is the ID. This is the table. Should be fine. Well, thanks, Wango Mango. Glad you like the project. But yeah, so basically this project is very complex. It has already 1.5 years of development. But don't worry, if you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime. I'm here to reply to questions. How about you, Wango Mango? What do you do in your life? Are you still studying? Are you working already? In programming, I mean. Why are you failing? Oh, and I can debug this stuff. Not easily. Let me check. Maybe database has another name for the table. Nah, wait. First I'll just do debugger. Let's do it step by step. Then now I need to launch the database, so please stand by while I hide the code from my work. This is temporary, I'll be back. Oh boy, my PC is dying. Oh, because I have opened Streamlabs. Not good. Okay, Wango Mango. Okay, recursive algorithms, it's basically... You have already studied functions, right? So recursive function is a function that calls itself. The traditional example is the... What is it called? Oh, it's a sequence of numbers. Oh god, I'm mixing the name of it. Ah, come on. It's not a prime numbers, it's a different one. Oh god, I need to go on Google, I no longer remember. Does Google have an example for it? But yeah, but it's basically a function that calls itself. Or an algorithm that calls itself. Oh, there's actually a bunch of examples of recursive problems. Factorial can be calculated via recursion, nice. I'll show the screen again very soon. Just wait for the DataGrip to launch, because it's currently showing code from my work and I can show it. Oh, I can't remember the name of the number series, which is like each number, the next number is like, or each number is the sum of the previous two. That has a name. I don't remember. Okay, I'm closing work stuff. Okay, now I can show again the screen. Okay, we are back. But yeah, okay, to give you an example, Wango Mango, I can send you this Wikipedia. page, but for example this is... Let me show you the simpler one. Yeah, like... no wait, where's the number series? Hang on. Let me just find the name in Portuguese. Fibonacci numbers, oh god, why was I missing this one? This is not a recursive one. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, so this is a nice example. So here they are calculating the Fibonacci series, which says each number is the sum of the previous two of the sequence. And then the special cases are the first one is 0 and the second one is 1. So the third one will be 1, the fourth one will be 2, 3, 3 because it's 2 plus 1, 5 because it's 3 plus 2, and so etc. Here they have multiple ways of calculating it. So you can do it using a loop, while loop is the same, or you can do it using recursion. And using recursion, basically it becomes very simple because Fibonacci is totally recursive. Which we can see in this case, like, okay, so the result, so the nth Fibonacci number will be the sum of the previous one plus the two numbers, the two positions before, basically. So the entire definition of the problem is done with a single line of code. And then you have just like the specific scenarios. Then what Java is gonna do is, first Java calls this one, like if we put a 5 in here. If you want to calculate number, the fifth element of the Fibonacci sequence, first Java runs the function with the 5 as an argument, so it comes here. This is 0, it skips, 1 or 2 also skips, then it comes here. Okay, so in order to calculate the fifth element, we need to calculate the fourth element and the third element. So it first calls this one, the third one. And now the execution stops for the fifth one, so it doesn't return yet. So it's going to call the function again, so now we are here again, but with n equal to 3. So once again, if n is 3, this one is skipped as well, then we are back here. And now 3 minus 2 is 1. So we call the function yet once again. But now if it is 1, it stops here. So the risk of recursive functions is that you can enter an infinite loop if you don't implement a final state, basically. It's basically a chain. If you see it as a chain, it's very easy to understand. And when it finally reaches the end, now it can start returning values to the functions we initially called them. And yeah, that's basically it. If you put a log here, you'll understand better what's happening. Ok, fans, seja bem-vindo de volta ao stream. Eu estava aqui a explicar aqui ao Angomango como fazer recursive. By the way, Angomango, this is the link I was checking. Mas que fans, qual equipa? Bom, I guess Portugal, primeiro que tudo. Se bem que eu não vejo muito futebol. Este fim de semana, estes últimos tenho visto League of Legends e Worlds, portanto, I guess G2 é a minha equipa. Só porque são os únicos europeus que estão na final. Mas vá, fã de futebol. Antigamente eu torcia pelo Benfica. Mas hoje em dia já não ligo a futebol, tipo, não tenho tempo. Portanto só ligo à seleção. A seleção ainda é engraçado de ver. Yeah, basicamente é isso. Ok, onde é que tem um Shaq? Mango, if you missed anything, if you have further questions, feel free to ask, don't worry about it. I can repeat again, everything that I said. O Benfica de Jesus é que era. Não, mas agora também está bom com o Bruno Lage. Está a saber ganhar. So it does exist. Scout check. So it has to work. Ok, F5. Espera lá, já posso falar em português. Isto agora é mostly português. Ok, debugger. Ok, isto é o que eu quero. Então, table check. ID. Whatever. Schema. Origin. Que é o tos, ok. Uma coisa que eu devia fazer. Como eu agora não tenho isto, fazer o lower. Não sei que agora deve falhar por causa do schema do 8. Não, quer dizer, posso crer que é insensitive. Já está aqui, tu URL é. Eu estou a chamar a coisa errada aqui. Chamado não. Estás model components. Então tu URL, qual é a tua cena, pá? Tu lowercase. Não sei, deve ser então é mesmo aqui que eu quando faço o from region isto deve. Ok. Então não, boa, isto é só o nome, nevermind. Tudo ok. Então o schema vai funcionar. E agora o que eu vai dizer? Is none? Espero que ele dê true. Tá true, ok. Então entry by class name. Como é que ele dá undefined? Class name. Class name. Qual a ideia que é esta coisa? Come on, será que isto não existe? Se calhar não existe. Agora a parte que se abre isto. Tanta coisa. Ok, acho que está tudo ok. Class name. Opa, vá lá, Postgres. Tenho que sempre pôr as aspas. Nunca tanto para ti. Como é que não existe? What? Então onde é que eu vou buscar o modelo disto? Aqui com o ID, duvido muito, mas se calhar é. Classe ID. Também não. Bom. Então como é que eu vou buscar estes modelos? Pensava que ia buscar aqui. Altura de ver onde é que isto está a ser usado. Come on. Ok, está na loja, está nos equipamentos, está no thrift shop, outra loja, mais uma loja, outra loja. Isto deve ter noutro sítio o modelo. Os equipamentos já cá é diferente. Ah, com caraças para ti. Então onde é que isto está? Item Equip. Onde é que está o modelo desta bosta? Será que tem aqui alguma string que se parece com o modelo? Vou tentar aqui alguns modelo 3D. Class Name, pois não é o Class Name. Item Type também não. Group Name também não. Merge Table, não. Tooltip Image, não, isto é só imagem. Tipo Script também não. Icon, não. Description, Drop Sound. Ou seja, também evitar aqui ver o primeiro elemento, mas o segundo. Node Name. Ah, pode ser o File Name. Pode ser o File Name. É possível. Onde é que está o modelo? Como é que eu sei qual é o modelo depois? Mas pode ser aquela pasta ali, o file name já me parece ser mais. Mas por que está o material, a textura? Será que ele tem aqui ou tem de ir buscar a pata? Bom, já então, se calhar... Aqui vamos ao... buscar o ID. Ok, é este. Coisa. Oh, tá bom, João. Então... até a próxima. Até amanhã. Oh, Wango Mango, thanks for the bits. For the 15 bits, I bet you were for the 2. You were the 2 times. Oh no, Anonymous Shearer. Oh, this is another person. Okay, sorry. Welcome to the stream. I see. Where is this a bot? I'm really not sure. But thanks for the bits as well. Okay, where do I find this stuff? Bow arc. Oh, this is the bow arc bow. Okay. No, wait, this is the tooltip. Never mind. Oh, okay, welcome aboard, Mono. And thanks for the follow as well. Glad I could help you both. If you have further questions in the future, feel free to ping me, either here or on Discord. I'm usually available, I just take some time to reply. Depends if I'm at work or not, but feel free to ping me. Okay, file name. Yeah, definitely this has to be the column to look for. Bow, arc bow. You're welcome, Mano. Okay. What do I do? So this is... Okay, let's go to the folder. Oh, this is an item, not a model. Actual monster. Is it because of it? It's different. Oh, I was expecting them to be the same. No. It's name bow, arc bow. Come on, don't tell me items are different than the rest. Oh, it's not here. Is it here? No. What the hell? Where is it? Input, cd, itosh. Okay. Never remember this syntax. I should probably disable this to improve the performance. Nope, there's nothing regarding this. What the hell? What is this model then? Unless... Maybe this is the name I need to search for. Ah. Okay, I was using the wrong name for the thingy. Okay, now it makes sense. Okay, so I was looking for the wrong one, I think. Or maybe not. What the hell? So it does exist here. Does have an icon? What? Okay, so how does the items work? They work differently than the rest, than the monsters. Interesting. Oh, is it because of this? I need to mix these two? Oh boy. Maybe I need to mix these two. I doubt I can find any code that explains how to work with this stuff. Okay, a lot of stuff has this column. Model list. I need to check what file is this then. I have a lot of stuff as well. Maybe this is related to it. I'll display the character. Okay, let's open the model list, see what it has inside. No, not this. Data from CSV. Now we go for Tosh database, Tosh parser, input, Tosh, data, yes, model list. We have 3 models, nice. Why is a large file? Model list, what is this? Offset, top, bottom offset, P, PT body. Oh boy, all the stuff is in here. Class name, hood name, file name. Oh boy, I still have to plate the material according to this. Oh boy, this is gonna be insane. Bow, arc bow. Does it exist? No, it doesn't. Does it exist with this name though? It does not. Come on. All the monsters. Wait, this is the traditional model list. Maybe I need to go for one of the others. Because they have 3 files. Model list. I have one for items. I have one for the player. Doesn't seem to include the weapons. Yeah, definitely not. But let's see the full file. Okay, it's actually only this. These files even work anymore? I don't think so. So this is old stuff, okay. Back to the drawing board. So if I search for this on the database, oops. Okay. Okay, so I do actually need to join the 2 words. Okay, interesting. Okay, so that's it. However, I do need to remove the first. So I remove the first element because reasons. Okay. Wait, no way these ones have a model. They can't have a model. I think. Shoes on 2. Yeah, this one doesn't exist at all. Yeah, not every equipment has a model. The premium stuff, however, it does have it. Hey, Gain Panda 2801, welcome to the stream. Oh really? Were you watching me on Twitch before? I should be uploading the same for both. Wait, thanks for the follow. Damn, the 2 bots are congratulating. Ah, okay, I see. I don't usually use either website, so I'm usually not sure. But I know that Mixer has a better codec for especially for the low latency stuff. They have a better one. By the way, just to give you some context, I'm working on this website. And I'm currently seeing how to add 3D models to the weapons in game. I want to put the 3D model here instead of the 2D image. Oh, Neopets. No worries. I never played that game, but I know some people are very fond of it back in the day. But yeah, that website is basically a wiki for an MMORPG, so I guess that's where you're getting the vibes from. Yeah, this is for Tree of Savior, which is an MMORPG available on Steam. Okay, we need to put a model here, which is a string. No, I did not make the game now, no. But I built the website entirely from scratch. By extracting the game files, data mining a bit, and then building the website. The game is built on Korea. It's from a Korean company. I'm just a fan of the game. Sure, go ahead. Although I'm currently reworking the entire website. So yeah, it's a nice time to give input. But yeah, that website's already live and already used by many players of the game. Although I want to expand it even more, because there is another website that is competing with me, so I want to kill them. Ah, okay, I see. I also have a dark team. That one has less contrast, if you prefer. I could add a small animation to it. So V2 equipment model. So get model return yeah, I got what you're saying. Especially when you're changing between skills and attributes and all that jazz. So I need to mix those model type and file name. Hang on, so if I go to market category, just select the weapons, weapon. If I go to file name, where's the file name? File name, model. Okay, nice. Oh, this is some with blanks. Who is with blank? Oh, fuck this one. I don't want take. I don't deal with this specific one. Ah, okay. Panda, glad you like it. But yeah, feel free to give all the negative feedback you find, which is gonna help on the new iteration. Even like performance stuff, I know the current website is very slow to load in the beginning. So initially it can be like this. If I go to the weapon, however, weapon one is gonna be different. What can I? Can't I remove this one? Why can't I override it? Oh, I can. Okay, cool. Ah, the dollar at the beginning, yeah, that was intended. That was to distinguish it from the rest. Because the in-game you don't see the ID, so that's more like for the more advanced users. Let me see what's in the current one. Yeah, in the current version I removed it, just to keep it cleaner. The new version is gonna be different. But yeah, back then I did it just to purposefully make it different than the rest. But yeah, the new version no longer has it, so I guess that one is fixed. By the way, which stack do you usually work with as a developer? Are you a web developer, backend developer? So for this I'm gonna need the model type and the file name. Oh boy. All these weird columns. Oh, nice, nice. So you're familiar with either Angular or React, correct? Or like Vue.js, do you use one of those frameworks? Ah, nice. Oh, I use a similar. I use Java for the backend in my case. I mean at work. I use Java and then Postgres for this database. But then I also use Angular for the front end. And this website, tos.guru, is also built on Angular. And can't wait for Angular 9. I need the performance improvements. So file name and model type. Okay. This dot model type dot split. Now dot slice. This dot model type dot index of. +1. So this is one part of it. How do I generate the rest of the ID? So it's this, okay, another underscore and this one, and everything is lowercase. I mean, not sure if it is undercase. Oh no, it can't. Bow, arc, bow. Yeah, like what the hell, do I keep it lower? I guess I keep it lower, this is an enum. Oh, I see, oh, has been the experience so far with Angular. Yeah, TypeScript is very nice, I really love it as well. Saves a lot of the pains with JavaScript, especially having a compiler is very useful. Something that throws errors at you before they go into production. Dot file name. At least this one has to be 2 lowercase. So this is the model. Now if I go here, okay. Let's see how it goes. Oh, Panda, yeah, but then if you click on the detail page, it loads the larger one. And I'm caching everything offline, so the user only loads every image once. I have a custom-made service worker where I'm basically caching everything. So in order to save space on the device, I prefer to just store like the large version of the picture instead of storing the small and the large one, and so on. Oh, by the way, that the version in production is fully offline. Like if you enter in offline mode in Chrome, it just works as well. Just the images won't be loading, the new ones, but everything else is gonna work fine. Come on, are you still not working? What's your problem? 500. Arch F, bow, arch, bow. Right? Well, this is different. Oh, come on. I also don't know. How am I gonna map these models? Oh, I also did that. By the way, I also did that. I left the icons larger just because I didn't want to spend even more CPU, like processing the game data, because I'm already spending a lot and the machine is very weak. So I saved some work there. File name. Model type. How do I know which model to show? It's probably this one, but how do I get to this one? If I search for this name is nowhere to be found. If I search everywhere. Nowhere. Come on, where are this stuff? I'm pretty sure it has to be this one. PC item. Usher F. Bow. Akbow. So if I go here. Item. Hi. PC item. Equip. No. Weapon. Archer F. Bow. Arch bow. Where is the arc bow? This is the one. I'm pretty sure it is this model. Aha, no, where is Panda? Throw everything at it. Let me see. Skill column is empty on database attributes. Oh, it can be. It depends. It depends if the attribute has any skill attached to it. Because there are two kinds of attributes. There are the class ones. These ones are attached to the class, which is why you have no skills in here. But then if you move a bit ahead, some pages, eventually, or maybe not. Maybe it's really broken. Okay, maybe it's broken. Oh, interesting. Okay, I guess it broke. Nice. Yeah, I usually don't test the website just because I don't have time for it. I just wait for players to report to me. Yep, this is what happens when you're like building everything by yourself and there's like no unit tests. I already have too much trouble every week because every week the game patches, they rename some function and it breaks my system. I'm tired of fixing it. Every big patch, they break me. And then I have players complaining that the database is outdated. And then people leave for the competitor. It's very annoying. I wonder why this failed. But then if I go to Sudan attack... Oh no, this is the Dagger Mastery. Come on, like, can I choose one that has an attribute? Trust. I go to Trust. Oh, it shows here, so it's just... Okay, one way it's working, just not working the other way around. Okay. Okay, so it's just failing in one direction, not so bad. Oh, they released a new patch already today. But it's not Tuesday. Yeah, how do I get to this model? Which is this one? Yeah, this is exactly the... Yeah, this is correct. It is this arrow. This bow. I need to get to this bow. Now, how do I get to this string? Data attribute where? I'm not using data attributes anywhere. I don't like the default bootstrap. Or are you talking about something else? So how do I know this is an archer female? Come on. Why did they add a gender prefix to the weapons? Yeah, I got it. No worries, Panda. I just wanted to. My goal today was to show a model, and I'm having troubles reaching that goal. So yeah, I'm just like stressing a bit about it. Because I have no idea how to show the model. I expected like showing models for monsters and items would be the same, but no, for items it's different for some fucking reason. Oh man, where is the... I don't know where to get the prefix. Archer F, is it somewhere here? Maybe it's another column that I need to use. No. I mean, it makes sense to be the model type, but then... What even is this stuff? I can't find this stuff anywhere in the code. Oh, this is one of the game files. I'm using Excel to data mine the game files. But on the database I also have this. Like, it's the only way of having the raw data. The game uses a lot of these kind of databases. Database files, like CSVs. And I just put them on the server, in case the client needs it. This is for the new version. The previous version didn't have it. I mean, I can do anything about it. I mean, in the past, the version that is in production, I was also with that mindset, so I basically, instead of going with the raw data, I transformed everything first into my own format, but then it made me very slow to build new features. Like, every time I want to build new stuff, I have to spend a lot of time mapping stuff, just on the Python side, which is what I use for data mining. Then I need to do the same mapping on the front end, and it's like, it's ridiculous. I'll do a lot of duplicate code everywhere, so I just stopped doing that, because then every time they update anything, they break my code. So on the new version, I'll be using the raw data, and I'll be using the game code, the actual Lua code that they use for the game code, for the game. I'll be importing it into the browser, and I'll be running it directly, using WebAssembly. Just because I'm tired of mapping all of this crazy stuff, because otherwise I'll never finish the website. So yeah, unfortunately I need to go with these bad practices. If they do bad practice in the game, I need to do a bad practice in the website. Not sure if you are familiar with WebAssembly. It's a very crazy tech. Okay, not this one. Is it in Lua code? No. Is it in XML code? It is, but it's still useless. Ah, boy. No, yes, it's gonna be. Is it in Python code? No. Let's open everything. And this one is... No, no, no. Maybe here? Oh, I have the mapping here on the same column. Oh yes, I can use it. Oh, this is ridiculous. I don't need like to go to this. I don't need to use another table. Oh man, come on. Don't do this to me. I'm not gonna download all of this stuff on the client. It's gonna be insane. I also have this one. Okay, WebAssembly is basically... Do you know assembly? WebAssembly is running assembly inside the browser, basically. Which means you can run anything inside it. And in my case, I'm compiling Lua code directly into assembly, and then I run it inside the browser at native speeds. So it's like it is faster than running JavaScript, which is very interesting. For example, some years ago, Epic Games, they released Unreal Engine for the browser, and it worked. It was just a test, just a demo, tech demo. They didn't like fully release it, but it was Unreal Engine running in WebAssembly. It was very insane. Oh, 1 hour for Death Stranding, nice. I won't be playing that game, but I'll definitely be watching someone playing it. Wanna be immersed by the movie. But I don't have the patience to walk around the entire map, so I'll just watch someone doing it. Okay, so this is the mapping I need. I mean, this one with this one. This one or this one? Oh, I'm actually not sure. What are these columns? Class ID, color index, death site time, death site blend time, move complete, mid offset, bottom offset, blah blah blah. So do something related to the root name, file name, effect. Class name, root name. So class name, root name, and file name. Interesting. Well, unfortunately I'll be going to sleep, like, right after I close this stream I'm going to sleep, because it's already 1 AM over here. Oh, but nice. I still will be streaming it. Hope you enjoyed the game. It has been very hyped. But let's see, sometimes Kojima does some very weird stuff, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have these 2 files that I can use to map stuff. It's ridiculous that I need to, like, to use this other file for it. Oh, okay, I'll give you a follow then. Is it muted? Is it muted? It is muted, nice. I hate that Twitch starts, every time it starts the page blasting off. They should start muted. I think Mixer does it, which is much better. Let's follow. Yay. Okay. If I have the time, I'll be there, or at least I'll watch a bit of the VOD. I'm not sure yet how my weekend will be. I only know that on Sunday I'll be watching the Worlds for League of Legends. But that's it. Not sure yet how will be my Saturday. So I'm gonna have to use this piece of garbage. Oh man, I'm not sure if I'll be able to show model today. This is too clunky. Okay. See you later then, thanks for coming today. I hope next time you come by I already have the models ready, but let's see. This game is so messy and there's no documentation. The developers don't help me, so it's like I have to do everything by myself. Well, it's probably this one that I need. Right. Yeah, okay, this one is not as big as the other one. I guess I'll just do it on the client side. Doing it on the server is gonna be messy. So I'm gonna include this one, I'm gonna match it by this garbage, then I'll get this stuff, then I'll match it. Guess that's how I'll do it. This is the model type, oh god. So if this is the case, I can't return it immediately. I need to put in this observable. Return. Oh, so how do I call them at a thing for me? I can't do it. Ah, come on. I need to do an HTTP request here. I have no idea I'm gonna do this. I need to access the HTTP service, I need to call it. How do I do this? I need to pick the model type. I need to request the model. From the model list PC. From that I need to get the other name, then I need to concatenate it with this one. I think I have to use it statically, but I don't think I can use it through here, right? Yep. Okay, these are not services. I guess I could create an HTTP service just to have it globally. It's a bad practice, but I really don't want to pass it by parameter, because it's not gonna be standard. I think. I'm really not sure what to do. Okay, let's do it properly. Let's hope this will pay off eventually. I'll make it abstract. Okay, yeah, I need to put it here. Okay, now this HTTP dot get service dot I need the region and I need the data. Now wait. I want to simplify this stuff. So static API data. So this is gonna be return this dot API, yes. No wait, this is the wrong one. I copied from the wrong place. This is the one I want. ID. Now just put it like this. If I use this one instead. Data. I can remove all of this part. This dot join No, this one is correct. This one, yeah, it's gonna end here. Let's see how it goes. Let's make it proper. They no longer need this part. Dival ID. Okay, perfect. Shock. No, not this one. Okay, data. This.entry.table. Entry class ID. The other way around. Perfect. Just a small refactoring. Data. This dot model type. Model list PC. I think it's this one. Model list. Yep. 2 L's. Underscore PC. Okay, yep, it's this part. Interface model list. Oops, no. What do I need from this guy? I use the root name or the file name? I think it's the file name. Because I saw some scouts with an uppercase S, so yeah, it's the file name, come on. Wait, maybe I don't need... Return, okay. Doesn't this work? Okay, no, because it's not a string, okay. Pipe. Map. So now I can do what I want, which is value.file name underscore this dot file name. Oh, perfect. So this is how I get the model. Just the idea. Okay, so now how do I show it? Okay, now I need to save it here. Header model servo string. This dot header model. Oh, this identity dot model. Private HTTP client. Is that HTTP? Okay. And I can pass it here. Oof. Will it work? I have no idea. No. Why is it not working? Oh, because I forgot to put a sync. Still don't work. How? How is it still giving errors? Oh, hang on, this one is switched around. Hang on, I messed up over here. Here, I messed up here. Yeah, this is the ID, not the table. Let's try again. Ooh, it launched the canvas, which means it finally loaded. Okay, finally. Now, what is the canvas showing? I need to go back. So what did I miss from the code, from the demo code? So I have a scene, I have the camera, I have the renderer. Width, height, yeah, okay. Oh, it isn't rendered. Okay, I need to render it by myself. I was expecting it to be automatic. Okay, let's just do this one for now. Just one step. Oh, I see a cube here. Nice, we have a cube. Why isn't the canvas aligned with the rest? Um, no, I don't need this. What I maybe need to do is to put display block or something. Display block. Nope, not aligned yet, come on. Eh. Why is this offset though? Okay, I just need to put top 0. Okay, so it's what I was expecting. Top 0. Okay, now it's aligned. We have the cube, now I only need to animate. I'll leave it. I won't finish the tutorial, no need to put the cube animating. Oh, okay. I don't need the advanced WebGL. I don't wanna do this one. I'll just do the object stuff. And this part is done. Okay, let's make this asynchronous. When I have to load a couple of stuff. Let's see. What do I have here? Okay, this is what I have. So I have the class name, I have the mesh, material name. I have the paths. Okay, these are the ones that I need. Okay, so if I want to include this model, I need to call a get on where? This will be on assets, region, itosh, 3D, okay. And it's the path that is there, okay. Okay. At object equals is.http dot get service dot asset. Yeah, asset region definitely. It's gonna be 3D slash it's gonna be the rest. Shack.mesh dot replace this with object. Oh wait. How is this not complaining? Does await work with observables now? I wonder. Response type, this has to be text. Oh wait, I can use a loader. Yeah, I can use the loader. I should use the loader. Never mind then. That's the URL though. But yeah, was object loader. Okay, so our loader equals, okay, let loader equals new 3 dot object loader. Yes. Okay, this is not synchronous. I mean, this is synchronous, not promise. No promises. I mean. Okay, so this is the part where I do this. This is the URL. Okay, so let's remove all of these. I'm not sure if this is enough. for this, I just need to scene add value dot scene. What's value then? I just do it directly? I don't think so. Oh, I need to replace the slashes. No, why do they do this to me? Place. Why do they do this to me? Let's try again. Okay, why is it still complaining though? Did it respond? Oh, it responded, okay. Why does it think that it is a JSON though? It is not a JSON. Is this not what I'm thinking it is? What the hell? Oh, so it's not what I'm using. Load those. Come on. Oh, so it does exist, okay. Thank God. At least I have it. Why is it not finding it? No, it's not finding. Yeah, where do I include the other one? Ah, okay, so I just do it like this. Okay, good. Okay, cool, so it includes from the rest. Okay, nice. Nice idea, organize this. Oh, it did load something. I'm not sure what it loaded, but it did load. Well, it has no material, so... I guess because it has no material, maybe I need to put a dumb one until I find how to add the texture. Oh boy, so much stuff. Did it survive though? Okay, so this is a group, not a mesh. Fusion, subject, loader, add material. Okay, value dot traverse. Nice. Child if child instance of mesh child dot material. Ah, okay. Let's see if this works. Oh, Dr. RM. Wow, you arrived just in time. I just managed to add the, the model. Although it's still very basic, I still need to add the texture and so on. Yeah, this is the model, we have it, nice. Just need to put the camera controls and so on. But where? How large is this item? Okay, here is the bow. Oh, I see. Well, in that case, don't force it because it probably won't work. Yeah, we have the bow. Can't rotate it yet. Also, I can do no callback. Okay, interesting. Maybe I can put the texture very quickly, then I can go to bed. Let's see if I can do it. So maybe I can do it like this. Let object equals new object loader dot load all these shenanigans. No callback, so I hope it's not synchronous. Well, it has to be synchronous. Never mind. Now what I can do is object equals. Now we can do it. Dot load all of this. Write new promise. Then no. Resolve. Resolve value. No, maybe I need an extra one. Okay. Let texture or material. Oh, I'm gonna need multiple materials. How else I can do this? I have to get the data myself. I just need to process it. Shime. But get response type text. New object loader. Parse object. This string, come on. Wait, what? Ah, okay. Ah, I see. The texture equals to what? No, actually I need to do model.traverse. No. Let textures equals Nah, hang on. Oh boy, this is messy. Debugger. Okay, so I have all of this stuff. Okay, maybe... Okay, let's do it differently. Let textures for let line of object split can I do this? Okay. If line dot starts with let line parts continue. Parts equals to line dot split by spaces. Parts 0 command guys material textures dot push the new texture loader dot load blah blah blah. Asset region. Is it still 3D? Yeah, it is 3D. Hang on. Oh wait, no, I can't see it here. What's this value? 0 nano, come on. Come on. How can I have the other one? Nice. PC item. Why is it not texture in the name? It should be texture, not item. Oh wait, no. It is the item texture probably, but then it's PC item, right? No. Nope, it isn't. It is directly here. Switch command. Material. This is okay. Okay. So if this is it. So it says material, the index of the material, which doesn't matter. Oops, not this part. Okay, so now it's 0, 1, 2. This is 2. Parts 2. Concatenated with the rest. Shark dot pass. Okay, smash. Model. Children. Parts. Mesh, okay, so if it says mesh, material equals to textures. Oh no, I can't use this one. Oh, interesting, I have no counter for this part. So this is more or less the code for rendering the model. And I still have like to put everything inside the camera. So scene.add model renderer. Okay, let's see. shit just won't work at all. Especially because the URL is wrong. Yeah. So if I wanna quickly fix this just for testing, I need to go here, bow, arc bow. Need to remove this part basically. I forgot to put the 3D stuff, the 3D prefix. .3D slash .3D item texture now. Okay, but the other one worked, okay. Nice. So it does fail. Please work, come on, please work. Nope. Why? Why don't you work? Why, this is not a material, this is just a texture loader. Hang on. Ah, this is what I need. Oops. Okay, let's see if it works. Come on. What is missing? We are so close. Would this work if I put it like this or not? Okay, this part is working at least. I'm not sure what I'm missing. Does it not support PNGs? No way this is gonna work. Nah. Olá. I really don't know how to use 3GS. So it's 3-dot texture, come on. I don't think this will work. Oh, it did work now, okay. Nice. So I just needed to... Okay, it did actually work. So I just needed to wait for it. If I put nothing will it work, it will work. But the image is messy now, I need to invert res, texture, invert. Texture. Texture dot flip equals true. I believe this is what I need to do. Nope. Oh, come on, so what's the solution? Okay, so we are using this one. Yep. For the texture. No, not this. Add texture. Oops, not this. Here. So I just need to go here. Go to parser input, itosh, data, item texture. Oh boy, please show me as a list. No? Where did I put it? This one? Oh, come on, how did I use this tool? This tool is always messy. Okay, now this one doesn't work. How come this one doesn't work? Oh, it's this one. Okay, so the flip has to be false for it to work, okay? So default maybe is true. Okay, thank God, I hope that's it. Let's pray this is the issue, and we are good to go. I need to remove the transparent stuff. Oh, nice. Okay, but now this is messy. Texture transparent. Opacity. I put this onto true and it's not working. Actually, I'm not sure what's the alpha test for this one. Hang on. We are so close. Arc bow. Okay, so alpha text is actually, yeah, transparent. Wait, how come this is like not true transparent? Okay, so opacity 0, never mind. Set 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the alpha test default one? No, it's not applying, come on. I doubt it's an opacity issue. Okay, weird stuff. Yeah, this one definitely is not the solution. No, this is not the solution. Why is it black though? Why is it black? Come on. If I remove the transparent, does it work? Image is PNG, right? Okay, it still looks weird as well. Come on. It's a PNG. Why is it not blending correctly? Opacity 1. Is it this? No. Still weird, come on. 0.5. Is it the alpha test? Oh, okay, it was the alpha test. Okay, I remember this. Okay, this is from OpenGL. Not sure if I need this one. Okay, so it was the alpha test that I was missing. Oh nice, it looks better if I remove the transparent. So we'll leave it like this. Okay, nice. So now if I just do something like this, now how do I rotate? Creating a scene. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it's animating. Just the wrong axis. Nice, very nice. Or should I make the two sides? Should probably make the two sides. Yeah. Nice, okay, now it's perfect. Okay, I guess I can close for today. We have the first prototype of models working. Still need to fix the models. Yeah. To do fix shackles. Material. Pass in shackle. Index, yeah. Okay, it's not bad, not bad. Okay, so and with this, I guess I can close for today. It's already super late, but I managed to put the models. One model. Then I still need like to put. camera controls with the mouse and so on. But yeah, this is it. Anyway, so thanks everyone for coming. And I should be back tomorrow with more Tosh. I hope. So yeah. Night night everyone.